Page 193. So since ArcMap had no information to use, it drew the Colorado counties layer using a projection with latitude and longitude coordinates as if they were XY coordinates in the state plane coordinate system. As a result, the layer is being placed in California, as we can see from here, which is obviously incorrect. In a situation like this, it is up to you to find the proper coordinate system information. For this video, we're going to use the information that the coordinate system of Colorado counties is Albert's equal area conic nest. You will define the correct coordinate system information for the Colorado counties layer using ArcGIS20 box. Now, to use ArcGIS20 box, here is right here, ArcGIS20 box, we're going to click it up. On the standard toolbar, so the standard toolbar, we clicked ArcGIS20 box. Now it popped up, and the same location data management tools, projection, and projection in transforms, and we used project before. Now we're going to use define projection, and we're going to double click that. For the input feature, of course, we're going to put Colorado. So the define projection tool differs from the feature project tool used in previous exercise. The projection tool projects spatial data from one coordinate to another. The define projection tool overrides the coordinate system information map projection and data stored with a data set and should be used only for data sets that have an unknown or incorrectly defined coordinate system. If this tool is used on data that already has a defined coordinate system, you will warn that running the tool will change the coordinate system. So the coordinate system for this is unknown. Let's double check again, and before is undefined. So previous we could use the define projection. Okay, and now we're going to put Colorado in coordinate system that we're going to find is from the project coordinate system, and we're going to go to continental North America, and we're going to find the U.S. contiguous equal area conic. And now here it shows the information for everything. The current coordinate system plane is updated. Notice that the geographic coordinate system used in GCS North America 1983, you may have to scroll down to see it if it is the system. And we're going down and scroll down. So geographic coordinate system, and it is. Angular unit is degree and primeridian. So that's the information down here. And we're going to click OK, and we have to click OK again. So this coordinate system information will be saved in a projection file, PRJ. That's the extension associated with the Colorado County shapefile. So now, when it is down, it will have a pop-up window at the lower right corner. While the define projection tool is running, ArcMap locks the layer so that cannot be accidentally modified or moved. A notification indicates the process was successful. ArcMap projects the coordinate, projects the Colorado counties layer to the Colorado North State Plane Coordinate System projection. The state plane data frame is updated, and the Colorado counties layer disappears from the map display. And guess what? And it's back on Colorado. Yay, we did it. So if you see Colorado say being drawn in California, click the small refresh button at the bottom of the display area. And now we can click to bar and go to Colorado. Now we zoom into our Colorado. So the county are now aligned with the US states layer. Perfect. And we go back and we can see the layer we added. So in the table of contents, we're going to drag this to the next layer and move it up, and we can put them together. So now our Colorado County layer is copied to the UTM data frame and is projected to UTM Zone 13. This is possible because the project UTM coordinate system is also based on the GCS North American 1983 geographic coordinate system. So the question was, how does mapping at different map scale using CPCS and UTM coordinate system affect the overall distortion and accuracy of your map? So the CPCS was designed for large mapping in the United States. The UTM coordinate system was designed formalized distortion for areas within each zone. Error and distortion increase for regions that span more than one UTM zone. UTM is not designed for areas that span more than a few zones. So that's you have to keep in mind. And now we're going to move to save our work, and we're going to return work on exercise 6D. Now we can save it and we can close it out. And for D, we're going to open a new blank map in ArcMap. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to Arc Catalog. We need a blank map. Okay, and we don't need the Arc toolbox right now, and we don't need the layout right now, so we can go ahead and close them out. Right click on the RITIAN _. We have to navigate in chapter 6 data, and it's right here. We're going to drag it to the left part, and we're going to see now we're going to georeferencing a raster. So georeferencing is a GIS task frequently performed on scanned paper maps, raster maps. So this is raster map. To align it to a known coordinate system after a map is georeferenced, it can be used for further data creation, digitizing features, or simply used as another GIS raster layer, commonly as a base layer. So before using ArcMap georeferencing tools, you must first check the map for available metadata, including information about the coordinate system or projection and lines for longitude and latitude. Second, you must identify several usable ground control points on the coordinate grid that can be used to calculate XY coordinates based on the map projection. The information you find will help provide every pixel in the scanned image a geographical dimension. For example, ArcMap can assign a pixel that has an XY coordinate for 543,237, the real world coordinates of 12 degrees and 27 minutes east and 41 degrees and 54 minutes north. So now the item description dialog box opens. We're going to click OK right here, and we're going to view the item description. And it's a raster data set, and we do not have the preview yet. And if we click preview, that we can see, and click the preview tab, use the navigation tool to explore the map. So ArcMap may prompt to create pyramids in counties. And the pyramids